there's none that assures us as to if should it go through now, as to when the ZANU-PF government will allow citizens to appoint a government through an election. The planned 2028 elections are being banned by the CAB 3 bill. Should it go through, it means that for the first time since independence, the whole idea of holding periodic elections will have been banned, which means the nation will just grope in darkness, living every day in darkness, not sure when an opportunity will be there for you to elect your local representative, your member of parliament, and your president. This is really something that will cause panic, because citizens will not be aware of who will continue to provide leadership and under what circumstances. And especially when you are told that the members of parliament will elect a leader whom you don't know, but whom they know, a leader who may not be a member of parliament, anyone whom they think should be elected into president can just come up, and strangers running this nation and getting into such important positions without the people knowing these characters who may end up